Hello, kuya. Hi. Welcome to my vlog. Happy Friday. It's weekend. Hello. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Very cold this day. It's very cold. I just dropped the kids in school today. Nalamhid, nilaklay ko pa. There is sun, but the wind is cold, very cold. So cold, even if it's sunny, the wind is very cold. It's much colder in the beach. I cannot go to the beach if the weather is like this. Anyway guys, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart, leave a comment or suggestion, of course don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Happy weekend. Enjoy your weekend, everyone. Bye.